Hi, everyone, and welcome to Foundations of Reading with Delgado Adult Ed. This week is lesson 18, and we're going to talk about prefixes and suffixes. As a reminder, Mardi Gras is next week, so no class on Tuesday. We'll see everybody in class on Thursday. And if you haven't joined us yet, join us, please. So let's start here with the document of the day, and it has a lot of words that either have prefixes or suffixes or are compound words, and that's what we're going to talk about in this lesson. It says weather report, unexpected sub-zero temperatures for the holidays, stay inside, dress warmly if you must go out, which I think is pretty hilarious considering that on our holy day of Mardi Gras, definitely Lundi Gras, it is going to be sub-zero. And sub-zero means below, right? So that's a common prefix. We also talked about ly, which is a way that we change an adjective to an adverb to tell when, how, or why something happens, which is a super common suffix. And we'll just continue to talk about suffixes and prefixes in the lesson and about whether or not we have to drop a E or change a Y to an I. So the first thing they do is super easy, and they're like, just find the prefix. So all the answers are there for you. Just look over that pretty quick. And we know this is really easy because 97% of the words that you will see in school start with the prefix either dis, in, re, or un. A lot of them there are other prefixes, but those are the most common. So prefixes are a breeze, right? We know their meanings, again, before, not, or the opposite of, not, in, it also can mean not, though, like incomplete, not complete, and then sub is below. So what we're going to do different this week is we're going to write in our slides. So when you open your slides, it should allow you to write this week. So write the answers in all of these yellow boxes, and on the following slides, you'll be able to see the answers. So I'll go through those real quick. All right, so then we'll talk about this other suffix meant, which means the action or process of. So payment is the process of paying, or development is the process of developing something. We'll talk again about identifying the root words within a word that has prefixes or suffixes, and also whether or not we might have to put a letter back that we might have been missing. So they ask you to separate these words into their prefix, suffix, and root word, and they want you to put the root word back with any original spelling that it had. So any change that was made or drop that was made, put it back to the original root word, and then the answers are on the next slide. They also have for you building out some words with different prefixes and suffixes. So we have accept, understand, populate, like, and enchant, and a bunch of answers are on the following slides. You might find some words that aren't on there. And then the last suffix that we'll talk about is shun, ION, TION, or SION, and we use this to turn English verbs into nouns. So we can compete, or we can have a competition. We've changed the E to an I here. It's a tricky rule. We'll talk about it later. But we have a lot of words that we can add this ION ending to, this shun ending. So they have some for you to read, and then they have for you to practice writing the root word, removing that prefix, that suffix from the word. The answers are on the following slide. They have some more for you to read, and then adding some suffixes to the root words. And again, the answers are on the next slide. And then we'll have a smooth reading in class, talking about a lot of tricky words that they shove all together to get us tongue-tied on purpose. And then lesson 19 is a review. So I haven't put the answers in here. I really want to see how this writing in the slides thing goes first. And we'll cover the review the following week. So remember, on Tuesday's Mardi Gras, no live class. There won't be a regular quiz this week. Try to write in your slides. Stay warm, and we'll see you on Thursday. Bye, y'all.